Hey guys, Wayne from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm doing a quick video on a must-have accessory for the Echo Dot. Now, as you can see, I have my Echo Dot right here with the super long cable that comes out of the box, which can be convenient sometimes, but it tends to make it look really messy depending on where you put this. So you're going to want to get this awesome adapter by a company called Vodool. Now this adapter, basically we're going to take our Echo Dot and we're just going to put it right in here, actually facing up. And then you're going to take your wall charger, slide it right through, and then this little cable that comes with it. I'm gonna plug this in here, and the other part is going to plug into the power, and this is going to go right into your wall. Now this wall mount is going to make your Echo Dot look so much nicer. Yank, get rid of that. You can plug this into your wall, and no longer will you have to worry about any pesky cables and taking up counter space and trying to figure out nice ways to wrap the cable. This is going to make your Echo Dot sort of invisible. You're not even going to think about it until you're ready to use it. You can plug it into your wall, and it even allows you to put the Echo Dot in places that you really couldn't put it before, because you may have had like a good outlet that maybe you wanted to put it at, but you didn't want that cord hanging around it. So this is a great must-have adapter. It is a great price. The price is so good, I'm not even going to tell you, but I'm going to leave a link in the description so you guys can check it out. It is on Amazon. It is available for Amazon Prime, and it has free one-day shipping as well. So click the link in the description, check out this awesome device, and if you have an Echo Dot, make sure you pick up one of these right now. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if the video was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching, and take care, and have a good one.